We are all very strong and innovative companies with one very precise goal that was all about being pragmatic, improving the time to market, and showing, let's say, tangible outcomes out of this Software République initiatives and projects that we are leading together.
We had the idea to kind of accumulate all the collective genius around the table into something physical. We're talking about something like, 15 innovation on the car, on the different things, and 2 of them are world first. And to do that in maybe less than 1 year, for the ones that know automotive, is pretty remarkable. What we do in the Software République is to turn it then in a serious production products.
If you come closer to the car, just stand by, the door opens, and that's the first cool innovation. You don't have to have any kind of key, smart cars or smartphone. The car knows who you are and can recognize you. Very simple, very easy. It's a car, but it's also a digital wallet. Thales have brought some, I would say, highly secured cybersecurity features to make this car safe and secure. We have added a satellite communication link, so the car will be connected anywhere, everywhere, all the time. And this is key for, I would say, safety features.
This car is definitely a very good example of how we can address decarbonization and digitalization. It's an object with a high electronic aspect in it. Thanks to the silicon carbide in electric vehicle, we can increase the driving range, and the power box is what we call bidirectional. The electricity that you are left in the car go back into your home. And when the peak hour is over, when everybody goes to bed, then the car gets recharged. We put sensor and capture sensor in the steering wheel, but also in the belt. And those sensors will measure your heart breath and will measure as well your way of behaving. The car can really, really help the driver, but also the passenger to feel very safe and very healthy in the car.
The whole concept is about leveraging connectivity, but the idea here again is about the user experience and the simplicity. In a few taps on the touchscreen display of the car, or also with a voice command, your car is becoming the wallet. And the idea is to connect the car to the digital ecosystem around it in real time to offer services to the driver.
To imagine new products of the future, you need a twin in the virtual world that will help you imagine those experiences that you can then produce. I think it's an exciting time. It's the industry renaissance, and that's what we are doing together here.
The Software République is a pretty unique experience in Europe. We have to face as a society, whether it's energy transition or digitalization, are actually cutting industry and sectors horizontally. So we got to be able to work horizontally on the thing, and that's the proof that it works. We have to bring magic back into our product to excite the new generation. And with technology, you can do it. The intelligent connected car is probably the thing that will change the experience of the consumer. And that's why, as Renault, we want to be really leader in this sector. And that's a good proof of our intentions.